All right, today's update. I haven't found any stupid spray painted parts. Just kidding. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. All right, so got the new overtake turbo inlet mostly installed, and I will tell you why there's nothing plugged in here in a second. Routed the bypass valve, recirc hose, got the new PCV valve installed. What else? New fuel filter. Can somebody tell me? I'm not 100% sure, because this is, let's see, so that's return. I can't remember what order these are in, but is this, did they put the secondary purge valve up here? Or is that another fuel regulator? I can't remember if these have one or two fuel regulators, because it has the one on the fuel rail. Or pressure regulator, you know what I mean. But anyway, so the reason these are still unplugged is because I hate the crossover pipe that bolts to the intercooler, so I'm going to rerun hoses from one side to the other. But also, I noticed there's a bracket back here. So it looks like this used to have an AOS setup, which would explain why a lot of the PCV valve system stuff was not installed. So I hit up my buddy Alex over at Auto Spec Design. He's gonna put something together, get me an AOS. I got a new pressure tank on the way, and dang, Alex, I can't even remember what else I ordered from you. At this point, it's just a mess of parts. Who knows? All of this is still apart. Since that, so the CV axle was actually like hanging out of the transmission. I don't know if they had the wrong size in there, wrong length, but basically once I jacked it up, it must have let go and just started leaking fluid. So I'm not even sure at this point if this thing's leaking power steering fluid or transmission fluid, or both. It's probably both. But I did get new seals, so those got to go in. So I have to do the passenger side. After my rant last night, I just went ahead and ordered new pads, rotors, all that good stuff. So those are on the way. And I guess I will update you when those get in. Oh, almost forgot. This thing didn't even have a tensioner on it. So I got a brand new tensioner, and I just had an extra alternator pulley laying around because that thing was gross. The belt that was on here when I pulled it in was missing a rib, so I got a brand new belt. So that's all good to go. So pretty much this thing's almost ready to test fire once I get AOS and LS squared away. So, to be continued. Please make sure you guys are following along. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. It does help me a lot, especially when it comes to the point where I find something that is enormously expensive. I can at least try to negotiate something a little better if I have some numbers to back it up. I do appreciate everybody that's following along on this horrible idea of mine, but no, it'll be worth it once we get there. We just got to get there. Peace.